Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have unboxing on this monthly subscription box. It's the shorted BUB Beautiful October box, and it's, I believe, around 42 euros here in Netherlands. It's a UK subscription box, but that also includes shipping. It comes with this kind of magazine where you have everything you might need to know about the products. There is four full-size items this month, and I had one sample which smells amazing, so you know it's gonna be fragrance sample. And the value of this box is 142.50 pounds. And the first thing is from Fixham Rouge, retails for 35 pounds, and it's this Hydra Matte Pore Corrective Velvet Cream. Now, innovating pore perfecting formula with replenishing and hydrating matte effect, brightening complex with vitamin A, C and E, helps restore natural radiance. Purifying and perfecting salicylic acid helps to unclog and reduce pore size. Smoothing hyaluronic acid helps restore long lasting vitality. So this sounds pretty good. I think I have tried some of their other stuff and I wasn't so happy with them, so I hope this will work out for me. It comes in this kind of a tube, so we will see how I like this cream. Then we have the sample, which I don't have, so it's the fragrance sample of this. It's the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanc sample. Top notes is freesia, green pear, cassis and mandarin. Medium notes are violet, leaves, jasmine, sambac, white roses, dewy, mugwort, dry ambrox, creamy sandalwood, peach skin musk and cashmere musk. To be honest, this is amazing scent, and I'm considering buying myself. Now the next item is from Illamasqua, a lipstick. It's the anti-matter lipstick, and it retails for 20 pounds. The shade I have is Asteroid, and because here they show a nude, and I was like, oh, I don't want nude. I'm all about the deep red lip, and this is perfect shade for this time of the year. Oh, I haven't even swatched it. Let's do a swatch. This is so beautiful. Look how pretty red this is. And next we have something pretty amazing. It's the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It retails for 70 pounds. Its value is more than the box, and I think this is gorgeous item here. I love the packaging. I have always wanted to try their products, and now I can. How fancy box does it have? It's like so snug here. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Now the sad part is, if I really like it, then I have to buy £70 serum. Ooh. That's what you get trying expensive skincare. Now the last item is from Benefit. It's the High Brow. It's the glow pencil, and this retails from 18.50 pounds. Does it have even shade? No, I don't think it has a shade. It's Yeah, it looks like this, and here's the swatch of it. It's very creamy. I did it here, and it's like a light pink kind of shade. I blended it out. I don't know if I would like it or not. We will see. I have to test it, and I will let you know how I get along with this new additions to my collection. Yeah, this is it for this post. Yeah, this video. You will find all the info about the box on my blog, which I will leave the link down below, so you can check it out. But till then, I will see you on Wednesday, because, and I do want to apologize not posting videos on Saturday, because I had crazy weekend. I mean, I was taking part of the Illusionum, which is a beauty fair in Estonia. I was doing free makeup to anyone who wanted with Effect cosmetics products, and their shadows are amazing. I had the greatest time. I was very tired, but I loved it. I really loved it. I could do some very interesting looks and also some beautiful nude glam looks, so I was really happy with that. But yes, I will see you guys on my next video, which will go up on Wednesday evening in my time. And yeah, I will see you then. Bye.